I'm going to show you how to make sticky rice with coconut milk.
This dessert is popular with mango, but you can top it with any fresh or dry fruits. Start with 10 ounces of sticky rice. Sticky rice is the most commonly eaten rice in Laos. Rinse it 4 times to remove the starch. Sticky rice is naturally hard, so soaking rehydrates the grains, making sure they cook all the way through. Let the rice soak for at least 6 hours, but ideally overnight. Then drain it. To steam it, wrap the rice in a thin cloth. This keeps the grains from falling through the holes in the steamer, sticking to the basket, or getting too wet from water droplets. Traditionally, this is done in a bamboo basket, but if you don't have one, you can use a dim sum steamer basket. It works just as well. When steaming, make sure that water level isn't too high. It shouldn't touch the rice at all. Steam the rice over high heat for 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, stir the rice to make sure it cooks evenly. And check the water level. If needed, add some boiling water. Continue cooking for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the coconut milk. Take 1.5 cups of coconut milk. Then add 3 ounces of sugar and ½ teaspoon of salt. The salt might seem surprising, but it really brings out the flavors. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly for about 8 minutes. This prevents the separation of fat and water. Once you see the first signs of boiling, take it off the heat. By now the rice is cooked. Transfer it to a large container and pour the hot coconut milk over it. It's important that the coconut milk is hot, so the rice absorbs it properly. Cover it and let it sit for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, make a coconut cream topping. In a saucepan, combine 1.5 cups of coconut milk, ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and ½ tablespoon of rice flour. The rice flour gives the coconut cream a silky, velvety texture, and it stays smooth even after cooling down. Mix well before heating. Heat over medium-low heat for 12 minutes, stirring continuously to prevent the flour from solidifying. Once it thickens and turns creamy, take it off the heat. In Thailand, this dessert is often paired with ripe mango, but you can use whatever fruits you like. I like slightly tangy fruits because they balance the sweetness beautifully. For dried fruits, I like using exotic ones from my cousin Aline's brand, Cookie. They have exotic flavors like mango, banana, dragon fruit, and even freeze-dried mango, mangosteen, and durian. Cut them in small pieces. After 30 minutes, the rice has absorbed all the coconut milk. The grains are tender with a slight elasticity, which is exactly what we want. Serve a portion of rice on a small plate. Drizzle it with the coconut cream and top it with fresh fruits, dry fruits, and a sprinkle of roasted sesame seeds. This dessert is a true treat. The sticky rice with coconut milk is so comforting, and the fruits add a pop of acidity and different textures. You can store the sticky rice and coconut cream separately in the fridge for up to 4 days. Bon appétit! Thank you! See you for the next homemade dish.